Shaw heroically pilots the ship to intercept the bomb before it reaches the planet. The ship and the bomb explode in the atmosphere, but Shaw and a few survivors are rescued by the Unkhan, who bring them safely to their planet. In the aftermath, Shaw chooses to start a new life on the Unkhan homeworld, reflecting on the futility of war and the value of peace. The story concludes with Shaw contemplating his future among the Unkhan, hoping to build bridges between humans and Unkhans, creating understanding and cooperation instead of conflict.